A few years ago, if someone told you a computer smaller than a book could replace a full desktop PC, you probably wouldn't believe them. But here we are in 2026, and mini PCs are quietly taking over homes, offices, and even gaming setups across the United States. Americans are switching to mini PCs for one simple reason: they do almost everything a traditional desktop can do, but in a fraction of the size. These tiny machines are powerful enough for everyday work, streaming, content creation, and even light gaming, while saving space and energy at the same time. One of the biggest reasons mini PCs are booming in the US is remote work. With more people working from home than ever, desk space matters. Mini PCs can be mounted behind a monitor, tucked under a desk, or placed neatly on a shelf. No bulky towers, no tangled cables, and no loud fans dominating your workspace. Performance is another reason Americans are surprised by mini PCs in 2026. Modern processors, faster SSDs, and improved cooling systems have completely changed what these small machines can handle. For tasks like web browsing, video calls, office work, and even 4K streaming, mini PCs feel just as fast as traditional desktops. Energy efficiency is also playing a huge role. Mini PCs use far less power than full-size desktops, which matters as electricity costs rise in the US. They generate less heat, run quieter, and are better for people who leave their computers on all day. Gaming is another area where mini PCs are gaining attention. While they won't replace high-end gaming rigs, many models in 2026 can handle popular games at respectable settings. Casual gamers and esports players are realizing they don't need a massive PC tower just to enjoy smooth gameplay. Price is a big factor too. Americans are becoming more budget conscious, and mini PCs offer solid performance at lower prices compared to building a full desktop. Many come ready to use right out of the box, saving time and money. Another reason mini PCs are replacing desktops is reliability. Fewer moving parts and better thermal design mean fewer hardware failures. This makes them popular in offices, schools, and small businesses across the US. Of course, mini PCs aren't perfect. Power users who need top-tier graphics or heavy video editing still prefer traditional desktops. But for most Americans, those extreme needs are rare. What people really want is a computer that's fast, quiet, affordable, and easy to live with. That's why in 2026, mini PCs are no longer just a niche product. They're becoming the default choice for everyday computing in the United States. If you're thinking about upgrading your setup this year, a mini PC might be all you actually need. If you enjoy content like this, make sure to subscribe to Digital Dive for more tech trends and buying guides shaping the future.